Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar and I'm going to demonstrate how to run a Daytrader application in a WebSphere Liberty Docker container which accesses the DB2 running in a DB2 container using the evaluation installation of Docker Universal Control Plane on a Mac system. Let us start the demo by logging into the Docker Universal Control Plane. I have already configured my machine with the Docker UCP controller and a node. Log into the Docker Universal Control Plane using the admin user ID and password. The Docker Universal Control Plane dashboard has come up. Already it has many containers and images. Now click admin and select profile. So we are going to download the client bundle and we are going to use this client bundle and we are going to access the Docker UCP from our local Docker client. Save the file, click save. So it has got saved. Now let us launch the Docker Quick Start terminal and try to access the UCP from the local Docker client. So here the Docker is by default configured to access the default machine. So let us stop the default Docker machine. Docker machine stop default. The machine is getting stopped now. So let us confirm that. So now we could see in this shell, it is not associated with any of the Docker machine. So let us go to the folder where we wanted to copy the client information. Bundle. So we are copying the bundle here. So now we have the bundle in this location. Insert the bundle. So we have the certificate files and now we will run the source file. So we are setting the environment. So now this particular shell is pointing to the UCP environment. So let's confirm that. Docker info. Now let us start the two containers, both DB2 and Liberty. Docker run. We'll give the name of the containers DB2 and the host is also DB2, and then we'll give the port association 50,000 to 50,000, and then we will specify the environment variables db2 inst1 underscore password with the password information, and then the other variable license equal to accept, and then we will be running this in the background. So -d and then the image name db2 and then the command which has to be started as part of the container startup. Now let us run the Liberty container. Name as, we'll give the name as Liberty, and then the host name also Liberty. So we need to make a link with the db2 container. So let's do that. Link db2 colon db2, and then we'll do the port mapping 9080 to 9080, and then we'll run this in the background. Then the image name Liberty. So both the containers have been started successfully. Let us check in the UCP dashboard. So we'll go to the dashboard. We'll go to the containers. We could clearly see there are two additional containers added. One is the DB2, the other one is the Liberty. Now let us access the Daytrader application and check. We have associated with port number 9080. So let's run that. So we could see that the Daytrader application has been successfully launched. Click the configuration. Click recreate Daytrader database. So we could see the database tables are getting created. Let's do some configuration changes. Click update config. Now let us go and populate the Daytrader database. The database is getting populated. The database has been successfully populated. So now let us perform some operation. Click trading and portfolios. Click login. Then click quotes and trade. Perform some operation. Then click log off. As part of this demo, you have seen how to run the Daytrader application in a Liberty container using the evaluation installation of Docker Universal Control Plane. Thanks for watching the demo.